At Green Metro Coaches, progress is built on strong relationships, high standards, and hands-on leadership. We were delighted to welcome Ross Maloney, Director at Hero Funding Partners, and his visit gave us the opportunity to share our vision and strengthen a valued professional relationship. The Green Metro Coaches team also carried out an inspection of a new vehicle, reflecting the care, attention, and quality standards behind every new addition to the fleet. In another meaningful moment, we had a quick catch-up with James Phare from TotalKare after some time. Together, these moments highlight the partnerships, leadership, and long-term connections that continue to help drive Green Metro Coaches forward.